GD&T fundamentals. Geometric dimensioning and tolerancing. ASME Y14.5. Engineering drawing. An engineering drawing is a document that communicates a precise description of a part. This description consists of pictures, words, numbers, and symbols. Engineering drawing information includes geometry, shape, size, and form of the part. Critical functional relationships. Tolerances allowed for proper function. Material, heat rate, surface coatings. Part documentation information, part number, revision level. Geometric dimensioning and tolerancing. GD&T is an international language that is used on engineering drawings to accurately describe a part. Consists of a well-defined set of symbols, rules, definitions, conventions used to describe size, form, orientation, location. Feature and feature of size. Feature is a general term applied to a physical portion of a part, such as a surface, hole, or slot. Feature of size is one cylindrical or a spherical surface or a set of two opposed parallel surfaces associated with a size dimension. Surface or elements must be opposed. Axis, median plane, or center point can be derived from a feature of size. Feature of size can be internal or external. Feature and feature of size. Feature is a general term applied to a physical portion of a part, such as a surface, hole, or slot. Feature of size is one cylindrical or a spherical surface or a set of two opposed parallel surfaces associated with a size dimension. Surface or elements must be opposed. Axis, median plane, or center point can be derived from a feature of size. Feature of size can be internal or external. Maximum material condition MMC is the condition in which a feature of size contains the maximum amount of material everywhere within the stated limits of size. Example: largest shaft diameter, smallest hole size. What is the MMC size of the feature of sizes in this figure? Least material condition is the condition in which a feature of size contains the least amount of material everywhere within the stated limits of size. Example: smallest shaft diameter, largest hole. What is the LMC for the three dimensions of the part above?
GD&T symbology, study of symbols. The form tolerances are applied to the individual features. The form tolerances are straightness, a straight line, flatness, a slanting square or parallelogram, circularity, circle, cylindricity, a circle with the two slanting lines at the end and beginning. Individual features, profile or related features also. Profile of a line, sometimes we are giving direct tolerances or else we are giving with references related to a datum. Profile of a surface, profile of a line is an arc or semicircle, and profile of a surface is a semicircle. Okay. Related features: orientation, location, runout. In the orientation type, we have three tolerances: angularity, perpendicularity, parallelism. Okay. And in the location, position, concentricity, symmetry. Circular runout and total runout are the related features. That means these three types of tolerances are related to datum. The feature control frame, the geometric symbol goes to this first block, and this is tolerance. Okay, and datums, datum A, B, and C, and then this is geometric characteristics and shape of tolerance zone is cylindrical or flat. Size tolerance 0.5 mm size, and MMC is applied to the size tolerance and the cylindrical zone. This primary datum, that is secondary datum B, and tertiary datum C. Let's understand the real definition of feature control frame. A feature control frame is a rectangular sectioned box that is divided into compartments within which geometric characteristic symbols, this is position symbol, and tolerance value 0.5 with cylindrical zone, tolerance zone, modifiers, MMC, LMC, and datum references are placed. Datum references A, B, C. This particular feature control frame conveys the message the position tolerance of the feature's axis must be within 0.5 mm at cylindrical zone because of this symbol, with reference to datum feature A and datum feature B modified at maximum material boundary, and this datum C and datum C.